A simple explanation of share market, stock market, and mutual fund with examples suitable for a 10th class student. 1. Share market or equity market. What it is. The share market is a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. A share is like a small part of a company. If you buy a share, you own a small piece of that company. Example, imagine a company called Choco Fun Limited that makes chocolates. It decides to sell 1,000 shares to raise money. You buy 10 shares. That means you now own 1% of the company. If the company earns profit, the value of your shares can go up. Second, stock market. What it is. The stock market is the platform or place where shares are bought and sold. It includes many companies and their shares. Stock markets can be physical places, like an office, or online platforms. Example, India has two main stock markets, NSE, National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. If you want to buy shares of Choco Fun Limited, you will do it through NSE or BSE using a broker or an app like Zerodha or GrowW. Think of share market as the activity, buying, selling shares, and stock market as the place where it happens. 3. Mutual fund. What it is. A mutual fund is like a money pool. A lot of people put their money together in this pool, and a professional manager uses that money to buy shares, bonds, or other investments to earn profit for everyone. Example, suppose you and your 9 friends each have 1,000 rupees. You all give the money to a smart investor, the fund manager, who invests the 10,000 rupees in shares of top companies like Tata, Infosys, etc. After 1 year, if the investments grow to 11,000 rupees, each of you gets 1,100 rupees. That's how mutual funds work. Let's understand the relationship between share market, stock market, and mutual fund in a very simple way, like a story. Simple relationship. The stock market is like a supermarket where many things, shares of different companies, are sold. The share market is the activity of buying and selling those things, shares. A mutual fund is like a smart shopping service where you give your money to an expert and they go to the stock market and buy shares for you. Story. Example, imagine this. You want to buy fruits, shares of companies. You go to the fruit market, stock market like NSE/BSE. You pick and buy apples, bananas, and mangoes by yourself. This is you doing share market activity. But maybe you're not sure which fruits are the best, or you don't have time. So, you give your money to an expert fruit buyer, mutual fund manager. They go to the same fruit market, stock market, and buy the best mix of fruits, shares, for you. You just enjoy the result, and if the fruits become more valuable, share prices rise, your money grows. In one line, a mutual fund invests your money in the share market, which works through the stock market. Here's a simple explanation of the difference between share market, stock market, and mutual fund, with examples. 1. Share market. What it is. The share market is the activity of buying and selling shares of companies. Example, you buy 10 shares of Reliance. This means you are directly participating in the share market by owning a small part of Reliance. Second, stock market. What it is. The stock market is the platform or place where the buying and selling of shares happens. Example, you use the NSE, National Stock Exchange, to buy Reliance shares. NSE is a stock market. It's the place where you trade. 3. Mutual fund. What it is. A mutual fund is a way to invest your money through an expert who buys shares or other things for you. You don't pick the shares, the expert does. Example, you give 1,000 rupees to a mutual fund. The fund manager uses your money to buy shares of companies like Reliance, Infosys, and HDFC from the stock market. You get a return based on how those shares perform. Summary, in words. The share market is the buying-selling of shares. The stock market is where it happens, like NSE or BSE. A mutual fund is a smart helper who invests in the share market for you through the stock market.